Alright guys, so I have opened the case. Now we'll want to use this. So pop it right here where it fits. Make sure it is fully connected. Yeah, it looks to be. Now you'll want to pick up the motherboard and lower it in. Or should I install the power supply first? That's your choice, what you want to do first, because they all fit in at one point. But for my build specifically, I would install the power supply first because it's up here. It's not down here. If it was down here, I could install it either way. And also, this one's non-modular. So, I'll warn you that. Get a modular one, it's just easier to build with. There it is. For now, I'm going to stuff the cables in the ODD base. That's the DVD drive base right up here. They won't get all over the place whilst installing the motherboard. Good. Now, we're going to spin it around. Now, it's time to reach into your bag or box of screws right here. So in here we have, those are case screws like that. They also work for case fans. No, radiators, hold a radiator in if you have a liquid cooling setup, but we're going to use them for power supplies because these are also used as power supply screws. They're pretty much universal. So now you'll want a bigger screwdriver. Where'd it go? Okay, here it is. Here's my bigger screwdriver. Good. There are 4 screws you need. Power supply. I'm going to move it closer to me because this one's at the bottom. So I'm going to have to use precision to install it. One of the screws is already stripped. The thread's actually on the inside of it. So that means the power supply sort of old. This one is kind of old. I'm going to try not to strip anymore. All the way 350 watt power supply, which is pretty much overkill for this kind of system. They're about like only 40 bucks. The better ones you'll be paying 300 for, like the 1600 watt ones. They're from Corsair and stuff like that. So now it's time to install the motherboard. Because I was going to say I'm going to do that, now I'm going to do it. Oh, very carefully. Ooh, hang on. Holding it like this. Just holding the back plate. There you go. The motherboard is installed. No, not yet. We need screws. We need motherboard screws. So get your small screwdriver ready. I'm actually going to switch out the bit to a bigger one. So